Hey guys, welcome back. Let me show you guys what we are working on. As you can see right here, it is the shower. It's gonna go right here. I'm cleaning the garage and I'm taking stuff out, and then might as well repurpose or reuse everything I have. So this right here was something that I purchased for the window when I was first building the trailer. I'm glad I didn't use them. They're pretty crappy. So I went with the gut struts right here. But anyway, so I had a bunch of them laying around. Put it right here. So as you can see, I cut them up. I cut 2 of them up, and I put a 90 on it. Now this 90 is gonna go right in here with 2 self-tapping screws. So it would look something like this. It would look like that. And then I put 2 of these hooks right here. These are very tiny ones. Again, leftover stuff. Put 1 here, 1 there, and another 1 there. That's where the shower is gonna hook up from. Then I'm using this old, these are those little round chains that you use on blinds. So I have so much of this I picked up from another job site. Just sitting in the garage, I didn't know what to do with it. So I'm also going to be using that, and some of this black chain from the toolboxes. So let me put everything together, super simple, and then I'll show you guys what everything looks like. And then we're going to go underneath the trailer and show you guys what couple stuff I did to the trailer as well. Hi guys, so I just finished putting everything together. Again, I didn't show the installation how I did it because it was super simple. The one thing I did change was these hooks here. My wife had bigger, stronger ones. She actually had a whole box. She had a great point. What we can do is, when everything is closed, right? Well, actually, let me step back so you can see how everything looks. Hey, babe. Step in your shower.
Hey, everyone. Now you see me. Now you don't.
Yeah.
Our curtain right here.
It's kind of high, but
I don't mind.
it's a high difference between her and I.
He's gonna need the extra headroom.
Yeah. But no, so anyway, so that's how everything goes right here.
So we're gonna utilize these for hanging those sponges and loofahs and tying like ropes to our shampoos and conditioners and soaps, and just hang everything from.
We got several hooks.
So we have a lot of space.
This one is for the shower head. That's why I put an extra one here. So the shower head will be facing here like this. That's why it's 4. And this one just to keep everything from moving around. And again, this one here, you can put one of those shampoo bottles with a hook in the back, so it hangs here, or a sponge or whatever. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And to take it off, super simple. All I gotta do is just lift it up. Once I lift it, this chain comes off right here, as you can see. There you go. The whole thing comes down, and that's it. It comes off, and then to put it back up again, just hook it up right in the back of it, and that's it. That's pretty much right there. A little adjustment, but by the way, the reason why I also did it like this is because some campgrounds, or obviously the ground is not level, and so sometimes this side of the trailer is higher or is crooked, so I want to be able to adjust the shower separate from the trailer. And here's how the connection was made right here. You can see it's just a simple link. 2 tiny little rivets right here. Show you from underneath. Done. The other one right here, and that's pretty much it. And we are back again. Let me show you guys something else we also upgraded. it's hard to see, but anyway, right here we have this cavity right here underneath the trailer. We are going to, wow, the mosquitoes are crazy. So we are going to install a 15-gallon water tank. I can't put anything bigger than that because the measurements, nothing else would fit. I went online, I researched as much as I could, and although I do have the space for a 20-gallon water tank, the way they are made and the way they come, they're always, all of them, they're too long, and I don't want to put it here in the front at all. Although I do have the space here in the front, but I don't want to because I don't want all that weight of the water in the front. So back here again, 15-gallon water tank is definitely an upgrade between that little one. I mean, that's only a 5-gallon one, and I used that one for, I guess, the gray water from the sink, and this one here for the shower and everything else we use it for, right, Ben?
Right.
So like I was saying before, we installed these what they call coil springs here, and that would definitely help the trailer with the extra weight now. It's very simple installation. Again, just a U-bolt right here with a little bracket. It's a little piece right on top right here that holds the coil spring in place with this little bracket right here, and that's it. And then I spray painted everything black, as you can see, so everything matches nicely. So that hopefully will help with the extra weight. All right, babe.
Right. Sounds good. Good job. Hi, everyone. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.